I want to just quickly create a blog video, sorry, a blog post this morning. So let me start by, okay. Now this is my cPanel. This is cPanel. Although this is not where you'll be logging in your WordPress, but I like logging in my WordPress from here. So this, you will not be using this. I will give you a username and password that you use to log in WordPress. So, but for me, we are working on Ask a Mechanic. So I'm going to log in as an admin. When you log in as an admin, I just pray, okay, this is what you see. Now, there are two ways you can do this, either on your Android. If you want to do it on your Android, please download Microsoft Edge browser. But if you have a system, good. Or you can download Microsoft Edge browser and put it on desktop mode, desktop view on your Android. So when you put it on desktop view, you'll be able to see something like this. So now, to create a blog post, all you need to do is go to post. Now, when you get to post, to create, you ought to click out post, but yeah, you see all the blog posts. These are the various blog posts, right? Now, normally we're supposed to create categories, right? Like type the name of the categories, because we have categories. Break, blog post should be posted under break. Any blog post should be posted under break. So I'm just going to go to my blog post. The blog post I generated the other time. Here is that. Look at it. So no. This not the blog post. Wait, let me find a blog post. I think I did a blog post. So I'm going to, okay. This the blog post. How often? So this is a blog post site. Car repair advice. So I'm going to use this. Okay. Was this the blog post? I think we have done this, right? Let's look at this. How often should one repair AC? So now let's go to this blog post. Okay, we have done this. Which other blog post are we gonna do? I think I did a work and okay, this is it. Sorry. Mechanic near me. We're gonna be doing this mechanic near me. Sorry for that. This was it. So, what is the SEO topic? Mechanic near me. What is the topic? Is it cheaper to go to a local workshop or a dealership? And the focus word is mechanic near me. So let's start. Back to our post. So we can either click add post here or you click this. So just do add post. So when you add a post, it's going to show you something. Now cancel this. I will do this so that it doesn't show again. So I'll just cancel. I don't want that to show. So very simple. From your AI, you can just copy and retain all this stuff. So I copy this and then I paste. Yeah. So if you look at this, it retained everything, which is nice. Now this is the topic. I'll just Control S and paste it here. So I can delete all this. So now, what is our keyword? Mechanic near me. So since our keyword is mechanic near me, if you look at this now, our goal is this, to make this rank high. So now we need to work on this. How do we work on this, right? So once we have dropped this, I would like to remove all these emojis. Try to remove emojis from your this, because why? A browser may interpret it differently. I will leave these spaces. So let me remove all the emojis. And here we are. So now, is this blog post fully SEO optimized? I don't think so. So we'll come here and click on this. So we'll edit this. So you can see all the errors, right? We have not even had the focus keyword. What's our focus keyword? Mechanic near me. So you see it's showing many keywords. So we need to fix all this. So this is what I'll be fixing. So thank God we have a lot of errors from this. So we want to start fixing all of them one after the other. To go to, is it cheaper to go to a local mechanic or a dealership? A local mechanic, so want to add near me. So at least this would solve that mechanic near me. So is it cheaper to go to a local mechanic near me or a dealership? So we want to just solve that. Now, focus keyword is not found on meta description, right? So here is the meta description. Meta description is what we show here. Like if you view it, if you preview it, let me open it like this. So let's go to general. Meta keyword is the preview, it will work on AI. So what is going to show here? We don't have any mechanic name in here, so we have to change that. So now let's go to our AI. Our AI gave us, okay, let's go to our AI. Generate meta description and title. So we want to change our title to this SEO title. This will be our SEO title. Then mechanic near me or dealership where save money. So we can use this, which is cheaper. But the description, let's put this, take this as our description. So this description is okay. I'll take this, copy, and back to our blog post. So we'll come here, edit snippet. So we want to put this on our title. Oh, sorry, this cannot be title. Control. So put this on our description. Title. If you look at our title, that other one is too long. So let's come here. Title. Which do you prefer? To like mechanic near me. So let's put here And this will be our title, but this is more than this thing. So we can remove this for car repair and do like this. I love that local mechanic near me versus dealership, which is cheaper. It makes sense like this. So permalink, we'll just put our, what do you call it? Permalink is www.asamechanic.asaautomotive.com/. That's the page address. So mechanic near me, will put our keyword on permalink, and with that, we are good to go. So with this, we have solved a lot of SEO or found in the URL. I think I'll fix this URL stuff. And that's what has to do with the permalink, right? So now, why is it not found on the URL? So we still have one error. So let's check that mechanic near me. So I'm going to check this mass again. So let me just put mechanic near me, mechanic. Okay, let's see. What is wrong with this? I think I solved it. I don't know why. So I'll fix this, but it's still showing error. But let's ignore it. We'll come back to that. Add image, link to external resources, use AI content to optimize. So definitely want to add image. Now there are two images we will add. Okay, I said I will remove this. I want to add my image. Yeah. So we'll just, because of space, we'll just upload an image from the library. Select, and we are good to go. So when you select this, we want to add the auth of the image. So we'll put a mechanic near me. You can just write auth is what describe the image, right? So let's go back to our stuff. So what else again? So yeah, we want to link our email. Now, like I said, always go to google.com, and search as automotive. Find the link, copy. Most times we must not always rely on this. We can, by the time we are doing our SEO and we do a lot of work on maybe Reddit, you can link your Reddit post and external link. So let's find Definitely, you are reading through your post, right? So no, I just like this. If you need vetted mechanics, then also automotive vetted local mechanics that offers premium and professional services. There's a premium and professional services at low cost. Sorry, at low cost. Then also automotive is your best bet. So we want to link automotive.com. So let's link this. So I will just copy this URL, paste, but remove the axle mechanic. So we have linked to our website. That's an internal linking. For advice, or you can ask our mechanics for advice. Yeah. So we want to link yeah. So this asks mechanic. So we're going to put our home, which is rcmechanic.com. Then here it's, I'll paste that link again. Then I'll change this to admin. Remember, admin.automotive.com is our stuff. So we have linked those. Now let's go here. Your SEO content does not contain stuff. So we have not also gotten to the 8th mark. And yes, we need to fix some stuff. So we have this notable. which is table of contents plugin. So we have to. I'm looking for the table of contents. Okay, they said we should use table of contents plugin, but I don't have that. Here's the table of contents. Okay, I couldn't see that, so let's try to fix the ones we can fix and leave the rest. So this one, I don't know why it's not, it says it's not found on the URL. Okay, then to optimize your post, SEO keyword does not contain, so let's address that. Because we have addressed everything, but until we get 200, so I think the one we can do is this one. SEO title does not contain numbers, so let's check that. And to check that, go here, rank maths. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this. No, okay, I think this has been sorted out. So this was the URL. I didn't know I made mistake. When I settled this, it worked. So now we now have it green. So we have found URL. Okay. So we can, on the long run, we are going to use table of content. Why? Table of content, I think I'm going to install the plugin. Table of content plugin. So let me remove this and get this. I think I need to install the table of content plugin. So we are not going to use their AI. So let me just search on Google. Rank maths table of contents plugin, table of content plugin. Okay, look at it. So let's use that table of content. So So I'll put here. So we'll do this fetch. Let me even scroll up. Table of content by rank mass. So it automatically generated a table of content. So cool. And I haven't done this. It has brought in its own table of content. What you can do, you can adjust this. So it has given the readers like a table to read. So try to add that. That will also increase your SEO. So I think the only ones who have not done is this AI. Use AI. We must not use AI because this AI is a premium stuff. Number two, your SEO title does not convert a number. So there are some SEO title that you want to do. Best number one way to fix your car. Best this thing or 10 top how would I say 10 tips on how to solve car problem, all those kind of stuff. So we're not doing it here. And with this we have our blog and right. So are we ready to publish? 84 is a good score. So please, your blog post that you post must show 80 and above. It must be green. If it's not green, it's not accepted by us. So note this and take note. Thank you very much. So with this, we have come to the end of this session and this video. So shalom. So let's publish and see. So you can now, before you publish, here is another place you must work on. Visibility, definitely it must be public. Post immediately, you can post immediately, or you can schedule to another date and time. Let's schedule 12 p.m. tomorrow. 12 12 p.m. On the 4th. So I think tomorrow. Now tags, you want to add tags, right? Look at tags. So you can add. So you can go back to your AI. Generate tags for me. Tags for me in comma with commas. With commas. So you need comma on the tag. So these are tags. You copy and you paste your tags here. Now most times you now after this process mechanic you want to come to the end, like the end, and put your own comma again so that it had it. So that's that. Now category is very important. Like I told you, add categories, right? We should have categories. These categories should be named. If you are working on AC, your category should be under AC. If you are working on brake pad, your category should be under brake pad, like finding mechanics. So this is a category, finding mechanics. So this is our category. We'll just add. It's not under any category, any other class. So once we add these categories, we are going to accept it. So you can select whatever category, multiple categories, or you can make it on category. So I'm going to put it on finding mechanics. Now we are good to go. So if I'm to schedule, so this is how you're going to do it, and then you schedule. So once you schedule, this is the link. You can copy this link. So once you copy this link, you can view. You can also share on Facebook. So now to share on Facebook, you are going to link it to a Facebook page, like it's linked to this page. Now, but we will not be doing that for ours. We are going to be posting it directly, so we are not sharing automatically. So, and this what makes it this. So if I go to this page and I post the link I copied, these are the blog posts look like. If you look, it's showing February 4th, which is tomorrow. And bam. Everything is working, and that's that. So thank you for your time, and God bless.